This is the old crater road on the way down south. It's just full of old lava flows. It's pretty much everywhere actually. Crater. Yeah, that's what underground looks like when it's on fire. And it's cooled down a wee bit. Woo. Yeah, nice little view here, huh? I think we're in the clouds of the lava field. Look at the ground, it's crazy. Look at all these swirls. The smooth one is where it's really hot, so it's a flow upon a flow. Yeah, we're in the clouds.
Look at all this lava. What's it called when it's not molten anymore?
Dried up lava. Lava flow. Oh, hey. If you go 6.8 miles that way, you get the Pacific Ocean.
Cool, let's go for a swim.
Same if you just drive that way, Lava. Lava. Look at the swirls too. These are like... Do you think you'd end up with stumps if the lava went through your legs?
Yeah.
Do you think if you came out at the right time you'd have bone stumps but no skin? Or do you think it would melt everything?
I think it depends on how... I don't know. Well, it depends on how quickly the water...
Yep, wasn't exactly on the map we got given. There's an end of Trail of Craters Road, or those words in a different order. It's supposed to be a 1.25 mile round trip, and then boom, 10 to 12 miles. But if you drive around the other side, you can park there and come in barely a mile from the other side. But yeah, what a surprise! Yeah, there it is. Hōlei Sea Arch, parking and stinky toilets. Check it out. Check it out. There's you. There's me. There's you again. And there's the road.